What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Madeline Carey Davidson, and today is Easter. Happy Easter. I'm getting ready to actually go head over to my family gathering, and I was asked to bring a dessert. So I asked if I could please make it plant-based. So all today, this morning, I've been preparing to make this amazing plant-based cake. And it's made with literally avocado, some chocolate, which is good for you, dark chocolate specifically, some coconut oil, almond milk, a little bit of coffee, cocoa powder, baking powder, some salt, and some extra things. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started on this. I'll tell you the exact name. It's the best ever, this is what it's called, vegan avocado chocolate birthday cake with vegan chocolate ganache. I hope I'm saying that right. So, yeah. Chocolatey hands. Can a girl get a telegram? Look at this chocolata. Ooh, yummy. So for the flour, I used Bob's Red Mill gluten-free all-purpose baking flour. So I really like this stuff because it actually, you know, it makes it gluten-free, which I have to have, or I should have. That will help me to not be so inflamed. Oh. Totally inappropriate. I'm so sorry. I wasn't even paying attention to what I was doing. For the chocolate, I used this, and then I just heated it up in a little saucepan, cooked it down until it was totally melted. So this stuff is really great. 70%, that's usually how high you want to go, or higher. It's just kind of like the higher the healthier. I used Starbucks cold brew, just black unsweetened coffee, a little bit of that. Now I'm going to use supernatural coconut sugar instead of regular sugar. It's healthier, vegan, gluten-free. So I have to mix this up with the flour, and this is half of a cup. Half a cup of that. Oh my gosh, my babies are here. My babies just got here. I have to go greet them. Hi.
Wow.
Hi, I'm trying to bake a cake. I'll be over in just a minute. The boys got here. Do you want to come over here?
Yeah, do you need help?
Yeah, come over here.
Okay.
Alright, thanks. Alright, bye. Oh, this is so exciting. Mommy's baking a really yummy cake. And Cece's on her way to help me because you guys just got here.
Thank you, Mom.
Oh, you're welcome. I've missed you like crazy. 1/2 cup packed dark brown sugar. Okay, we did that. 1/2 cup unsweetened cocoa powder. He's okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Ghirardelli cocoa powder. So yum. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, now we have to use baking soda. I think that you could probably find something that's a lot healthier than Arm & Hammer, but 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Unrefined virgin coconut oil. Oh yay, Cece's here.
Oh, there she is. Hi.
Hi. 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Everyone say hi to my cousin. This is the infamous Cece. Cheyenne Johansson. Ooh, 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 1/4 cup of organic almond milk. Here's my baby. And then we're gonna add 1/2 cup of vegan chocolate chips. These are dairy-free chocolate chips by Enjoy Life, the company Enjoy Life, and they're actually super tasty. And these are dark chocolate, semi-sweet, really good. Now we are mixing all wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. So we have our dry ingredients here. This actually looks so tasty. I'm freaking out in a good way. Pour this into this. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna bake for 35 to 40 minutes. Like, are you kidding me? For the ganache, we're gonna do 2 of these Belgian chocolate by Chocolore. XOXOX strong dark chocolate, 70%. So we're gonna do 2 of these bars, warm them up, get the chocolate real melted. It's gonna be so good. I'll let you know if it's not. I will let you know. You know I'll let you know. It's like my Easter apparel and face. It's okay if you don't. 1/4 cup light coconut milk plus more if necessary. So, okay, instead of the coconut milk, we're gonna do light cup of almond milk. This is our plate. We're gonna use this plate. What do you guys think? Okay, this is it for this video. This is my oh so very, very delicious, hopefully, after I try it, I'll let you guys know, vegan, dairy-free, gluten-free, plant-based cake. I will write up a blog post for this recipe as well, and I will share it with you guys. And yeah, now I get to go share it with my whole family, so I'm really excited to see what everybody has to say. Tune in next time. We're gonna do some more fun plant-based meals like this. So make sure to stick around and click that like button and subscribe if you haven't already.